this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the resolution on your PlayStation 4 if you can't see your TV screen or anything like that. Maybe your screen is black. Now, what you want to do is go to your PlayStation 4. So our PlayStation 4 needs to be turned on, and then we can hold this down and we will hear one beep initially, and then we will hear a second beep, and this will manually turn off the PlayStation 4. Now, we have to wait for it to completely turn off, and locate a USB cable just like this, and then plug your controller directly into the PlayStation 4. Now, when your PlayStation 4 is turned off, go back to the power button, hold this down. You will hear one beep initially, and about 10 seconds later, you will hear another beep, and this will launch it into the safe mode menu. Now, with your controller plugged in, we need to press the PlayStation button and hold this down, and we will be able to operate the safe mode menu now. Now, under here, we want to go to option number 2, change resolution. And this will restart our PlayStation 4. After it's restarted, we will be able to select the video output. So if you're able to see the safe mode menu, that's an indication that your TV is set to a resolution that your PlayStation 4 does not support at the moment. Now in here it says select a video output. Typically I would just leave it to automatic, but what we could do is switch it to 480p, 720p, 1080i, 1080p. Just try one of those resolutions and you should be good to go. I'm just going to select automatic, and it looks great on my TV now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on YourSixTech.